birds. This bird can see at night. This is an owl. This bird can fly very high. It is a good hunter. This is an eagle. This is the smallest bird in the world. This is hummingbird. This is the largest bird in the world. It cannot fly. This is ostrich. This bird can drill a hole in a tree with its strong beak. This is woodpecker. This bird lives in cold places. It cannot fly. It is the only bird that can swim. Penguin. This bird can dance. It is our national bird. This is a peacock. This bird can talk. Its name rhymes with carrot. This is parrot. This bird is very smart and can recognize themselves in the mirror. This is pigeon. This bird can eat only when its head is upside down. This is flamingo.